Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Are you a lover of purple? Well, wenew has this beautiful case that you cannot live without. I am obsessed with this purple case. The flowers are adorable and the purple is so rich. I just love it. And it protects my AirPod Pro 2019s just perfectly. I can plug in and also be able to see if it's charging just by lifting it a little. And the inside of this is really smooth and soft. It's very durable. I love the clasp because it rotates and I can put it on any bag that I need and even turn it around. So if you want to protect your AirPod Pros and you want to do it in style and you want to do it in purple, you will love this. I highly recommend it. And that's just my point of view.